Fish, you're supposed to put some power to the battery and charge it. Oh man, how much power can you get on a vlog? Oh, can you do a vlog with the amount of power you got? I gotta go get 3 1x4s. I gotta replace a 2x4x10. I got nails for sure. I got everything else I need. And I could get another 1x4. This way the mailman could stop hopping over my side and walk around like a normal person. That's reflection. Not even a happy holiday when I left the store. I sat there thinking, do I really need a 4x4 post to replace the one that's not rotted? I said I could wait a little longer. It's worth a good price right now. But I also got some 1x4s and I looked at 1x2. And that was like a 1x1. I'm going to take a 1x4, cut it down to a 1x2, or maybe cut it down to a 1x3 and do the same size as that. So I put back a piece of wood or 2. I didn't want to buy more than less. Get some gas, but I'm not getting it over here, which is $3.59. I think it was like $3.45 by me, or even $3.39. And I can go a little further. I need to do some driving. Yeah, I think I am going to go drive a little further and go get some gas. You want to know what's a gas man? This is a gas man going through the lights. That's not the gas. The gas was when I was offered. Sorry, was sold out. How could you be sold out so fast? Yeah, I get it. I do. But I'm gonna go get the real gas. That's not bad. $3.49. Oh, I don't have to fill up that much. But at least I get gas. Gas is available, never sold out. I'm not sure what he was looking for. Yeah, afraid to come on over, man. Make it on out of here. I got things to do. Take care of business and get things done. Hope to see you on many other videos.